So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing Crucial BX500 2.5-inch solid state drive. But before unboxing, let's discuss what is an SSD, why should we upgrade to an SSD, and why SSD is better. A solid-state drive is a new generation of storage device used in computers. SSD replaces traditional mechanical hard disk by using flash-based memory, which is significantly faster. Older hard disk storage technologies are slower, which often makes a computer run slower than it should. An SSD can give you a significant speed boost in a number of ways. Boot time using a solid-state drive averages about 10 to 13 seconds as compared to 30 to 40 seconds for a hard drive. A solid-state drives deliver faster load times for games, applications and movies because of the technology they use. SSDs are lighter, better able to withstand movement and droplets, and in addition, solid-state drives use less energy, allowing computers to run cooler. Now let's unbox the SSD. So the SSD comes nicely packed in a transparent tray along with a user manual. Let me take it out. So the SSD is very lightweight and has a SATA pin connector. Some features of this SSD are it's having a read speed of 540 MB per second and a write speed of 500 MB per second. It's having a 3-year warranty and also comes at a good price. Now let's check the boot time and the shutdown test with a hard drive installed. So the laptop takes around 36 seconds to turn on and 7 seconds to turn off with a hard drive. Now let's check the turn on time and the turn off time with an SSD installed. Now the laptop takes around 14 seconds to turn on and 1 second to shut down with an SSD installed. The main advantages of an SSD are SSD are more durable and reliable than hard drive, SSD are faster than hard drive, they are power and energy efficient, they are lightweight and makes no noise, SSD comes in more practical form factors. Some disadvantages of an SSD are more expensive than hard drive, and the recovery of lost data in an SSD is also difficult. If your computer is running slow, you should definitely upgrade to an SSD as it saves your time, consumes less power, makes your PC fast, and also has a longer durability. The best buy link is always in the description, so check it out. So guys, this was a video. Make sure to give it a like and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.